There was a man that came into our office who was having trouble with his hearing and was told that it was normal with aging and there was nothing anyone could do about it. But if we take a close look at his x-rays, we found out where the problem is and that there was something that could be done about it. So let's take a look at the x-rays. I want to show you where his problem was. If you look right here, you could see these bones are all lined up with each other. See how my finger goes right through these two lines? But what do you notice about this bone right here? Do you see how this is fallen back behind the other bones? Do you see how it's not stacked on top of the other three bones? Well, this bone is at the top of his neck. Here's his jaw. Here's the back of his neck. And this bone is fallen backwards into where the nerves go. And because those nerves go to hearing, his hearing was starting to be diminished all the way to the point that he was having his TV turned up to 45. And with the adjustment that I'm going to show you right now, since he's been getting adjusted and getting this bone adjusted from the back and stretching it towards the front so that these line up better and clear the path for the nerve to get through for his healing, his hearing has been improving. And now he hears his TV at 25. So here's the adjustment we've been doing. This is an illustration of the adjustment before I show you the actual adjustment. The two prongs are on the back of the bone that's gone backwards and isn't lined up with the other bones. The stretching force helps that bone stretch forward to give better alignment. Now I'm going to show you the actual adjustment. This is the safe and gentle adjustment we're using to help with the neck, back, and hearing.
I've seen gradual improvement. The back seems to be stronger. The hearing has improved. I'm seeing improvement on the overall.